We found this video on Facebook of how to make a 7-minute microwave cake. It takes 1 cup of flour, half a cup of sugar, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a cup of warm water, and 2 eggs. Now you mix everything together until it's mixed good and well. Okay, once everything is combined, you pour it into a greased microwavable ice cream container or any kind of container which you feel like. Okay. Once you've finished putting it into your plastic container, you're going to put it into the microwave for 7 minutes on high heat. In the center. Okay. Now we're gonna set the microwave. Okay, so once the microwave's time's up, you let it sit in the microwave for another plus minus 10 minutes before you take it out. Okay, so the 10-minute waiting period is over. It looks really good. Haha, and it comes out very easily. Okay, so we're gonna make another one of these. Then we're gonna make some chocolate mousse. We prefer icing it with chocolate mousse, and then we'll see what it looks like.